but I can't tell what boat's what.
Don't drop it. Keep it inside. If you lose it, we can't get it back. Why don't you put it in your stroller? Leave it right on your chair. There you go.
I still can't see if it's ours or not. Oh, be careful with your cup, baby.
No. Leave your paddle. You can't go in the boat. We'll have to go practice next Saturday. You can go in the boat. Right? I don't think that's us.
Yeah, it's Chucky steering. Yeah, the blue boat. I didn't see it. I got some of it. Steve looks beat.
What?
I said Steve looks a little tired.
So that's the blue boat? Excuse me. She's right there, so be careful.
Parker's paddling.
I think the red boat's coming down next, right?
Yeah, blue boat.
Is it Teresa?
You got a nice zoom on Sandy not smiling.
He totally just like came and like started. I'm like, are you kidding me?
Well, when you said that, I was like, what did I do? Then I saw him. I was like, aha.
No, he just came like right here and was like doing this, and I'm like, oh, back off, buddy. Maybe a thought that this is not over well.